Kintsugi tutorial video step 3 filling small holes with Sabi-urushi. For the broken plate after sticking pieces together, take off the masking tape. Scrape off the extra Mugi-urushi with a utility knife. And the plate which has been filled with Kokuso, scrape off the extra Kokuso with a utility knife and cut out the sandpaper into about 1 square centimeter. And fold it in 3. Then polish on the surface of Kokuso to make it flat. This plate also had a chipped area, so it was filled with Kokuso. See, the surface became flat. Then prepare the palette and spoon. Place the same volume of polishing powder, clay powder, and raw urushi on the palette. First, mix the powder and mix the raw urushi as well. This is the Sabi-urushi. Please wipe off oil with tissue if you used the brush before. But if it's new, you don't need to do so. Apply Sabi-urushi thinly on cracked and chipped areas to flatten the unevenness. You can also use the bamboo spatula instead of the brush according to the consistency of Sabi-urushi. Leave the item in the urushi box for at least a day. Cleaning time. First, we wash the brush. Wash the brush well with oil on the palette and wipe off with tissue. Repeat it until all the dirt is gone. Leave some oil in the brush and cap. For the other two, wipe off the dirt with tissue and scrape off the dirt. Apply oil on the palette. Scrape dirt from the palette with spatula. Wipe it off well with tissue. Please try our Kintsugi kit at home. It's now on sale. We are not perfect incorporated.